Concern for public administration is absorption of principle of democracy, policy sensitivity, innovative, proactive risk-taking, and the coping capacity of administration and the government to face modern challenges. Frederick Taylor noticed the phenomena of workers purposely operating below their capacity is called skewing. A formal organization is a grow to the expand deliberately impersonal होना चाहिए forms the member of the group to observe the common rules. That's not true, but a relationship created to the organization structure are honored by everyone. Arrange the following by the Elton Mayo: first inquiry, then will be the great elimination, then human attitude and sentiments, then social organization, last is absenteeism in the industry, which is about the Simon view. Rationality is correct. Rationality is limited by skill, value, purpose, knowledge, and level of the decision maker, which is following not act developed by Peter Drucker. The concept of transactional influence. Who among the following rejected the principle of unity of command? Taylor, which is not correct, is job-centric supervision scheme of the Francis Linkert. He helps subordinate when mistakes occur, which is not among four system of the managerial leadership. Constructive is not a system which is following personality, motive, value, skill, attribute, leadership trait, theory. Ethical road refer to the meta policy and policy making system, which is following part of the executive office of US President, White House staff, and the Office of Management and Budget. Who is the said the following words about the comparative public administration? The theory of public administration applied to the diverse culture, national setting, and the body of the factual data, which is can be the examined. Heady and stroke. जेम्स मिल्स प्रोफेशनल गवर्नर की बात की थी, थॉमस कार्लाइड ने कॉन्टिनेंटल न्यूसेंस की बात की थी, डेवी ने ऑक्यूपेशनल साइकोसिस की बात की थी, एंड वेबले ने ट्रेनिंग कैपेसिटी. दे आर द inadequate administrative planning, then traditional administrative practice, then procedural deficiency, then lack of conscious achievement goals. Bureaucracy seems to be an essential ingredient. Bureaucracy are the port in the complex organization. Development administration is concerned with maximizing innovation for development, that is Widner. Improvement in the effectiveness of development administration is the Fensod ने ऐसा कहा था कि political environment which liberties there energize, that is merely Fensod. The community development program was launched to secure total development. It was realized while implementing the program that social change is not possible unless efforts are people centered for improvement in the people their development not ensured. Which is following role Gram Sabha is the area covered under the Panchayat. First is Gram Sabha power of prevent the alienation of the land. Gram Sabha has the ownership of the minor forest, and recommendation of the Gram Sabha is required to the granting the license to the mining. According to the second ARC task, delimitation reservation concern for the local government should interested state election commission. Planning department of the development authority merged the district planning committee. Second ARC principle of the subsidiary related revolution of the function to the panchayat to make them function as an institution of self-government. Which is following not the included 12th schedule of the constitution, that is technical training of the vocational education, that was not in the 12th schedule. Jila Parishad vested the planning development. District additionally has been recognized as the administrative unit required to perform related functions. Which of the following correct regarding the role of district officer? Sales excise shop is not correct. The post of deputy collector, that is Charter Act 1883 में आया था, that created district for the provision of this act. एंड अरेंज द फॉलोइंग बताना है. सबसे पहले आएगा हनुमंथा राव कमेटी, देन आएगा सरकारिया कमेटी, देन आएगा एलएम सिंघवी कमेटी, लास्ट में आएगी थुंगन कमेटी. अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉलोइंग इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ट्रिब्यूनल कैन नॉट बी स्टेब्लिश इलेक्शन टू अदर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, इसमें नहीं होता है. देन लास्ट विल बी 13 फाइनेंस कमीशन विजय केलकर, सेकंड 5 ईयर दैट इज रप्पामोइली, कमीशन ऑन सिविल सर्विस दैट वाज फ्रॉम होता, कमीशन ऑन द सेंटर स्टेट रिलेशन दैट इज सरकारिया. There shall be a district council constituted every district representing all rural and urban districts for the exercising power function. That was the second ARC. The social responsibility of the judiciary now been expanded, and in the social awaken immediate social actions are encouraged to approach the court, come to the litigation of redressing injustice. Which is all India service is correct. New All India service may be centered only if council of the state declare to do to the majority. That's not true. New All India service expected national interest and created by the passed by parliament, and its service may also be created by parliamentary law. NABARD is not in the correct. It functions as a regulatory authority in relation to all public sector commercial bank. That's not about the NABARD. National Institute for Rural Development, Central Institute of the Study and Research in the Community Development. Now the responsive public administration, institutional safeguard to technical, flat organization नहीं आएगा, high caliber आएगा, general standard efficiency आएगा. Which is the statement regarding budget. The Constitution of India calls the budget annual financial statement. Budget statement is estimate, receipt and expenditure. President of India shall lay it before the House of People. That's not true. Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance prepares the budget. Which is following has not been associated PMO Pillai. The Parliament may be law provide for the Legislative Council in each of the consists to the local government, that is second ARC. Put the following: first will be the Salve, then will be the Pant, then will be the Khusro, last will be the Rangarajan. इंटरव्यू इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सोशल इंटरेक्शन दैट इज गुड इन हटेने का था. वेरी स्टेप टू द रिसर्च आर, सबसे पहले है प्रॉब्लम को फॉर्मुलेट करना, देन है सैम्पलिंग करना, देन डाटा का एनालिसिस करोगे आप, ठीक है, लास्ट में रिपोर्ट राइट करोगे. विच इज़ नॉट रेफर टू द प्रैक्टिकल ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ रिसर्च. बेसिक रिसर्च नहीं है. NGO इन द प्राइवेट एंटरप्राइजेस फॉर द सोशल प्रोग्रेस. दिस स्टेटमेंट मेड बाय द लॉर्ड बेवरेज ने कहा था ये वाला NGO के लिए. Which is not the basis for public sector reform. Significance, spillover effect, which is following impact the global economic integration and independency of the trade, interdependency, development policy, and impact of the global governance, conducive environment for both the capital labor, local level, and the edges of the economic integration. FERA 1999, which is the most common method. First will be the sale of outside owner, restitution, spontaneous privatization, management, employee boycott. Which is function is Competition Commission to suggest reform in the organization and the functioning of RBI in the other bank. That is not the function of the Competition Commission. Which among the following concern with the definition of the public administration for the embedded process of collective relationship. थर्ड मिनरल बुक कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा गया है. द स्कोप ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कंसिस्ट ऑफ स्टडी नॉट ओनली फॉर द फैक्टर नेमली main material, that is PCMC, which is not the matter of the differences between public private administration POSCO activity. Public administration time and turbulence died world or towards the new public administration mineral book perspective. That was the Frank Marini new despotism Harvard political administration. That is good now. Informal organization is comparative, unstable, and satisfy social needs, help to the member achieving the goal, preserving cultural value. Red tape has been defined as the punctual execute, and red tape is the best insurance that public has to receive equal treatment for the hand of government. There is no ideal number of person for the supervised can supervise. Span of control varies on the basis for the factor, function, time, space, and delegation. Woodrow Wilson is president, New Jersey Nobel Prize, and the Princeton University. Which of the following factor influence the emergence of the theory of practice of human relation? Class antagonism नहीं आएगा इसमें. रिएक्शन class antagonist, reaction to the terrorism and economic depression, backward material and cultural aspiration will not be there. Classical writers were concerned with the improving organization structure. They did emphasis important principle design of the logical structure organization. Mohammed and March, that is human, and Chester Bernard, organization and management. Monet, Rayleigh, principle organization. Rancis Likert, the human organization. Which is following not an independent regulatory commission of India, that is National Labour Relation Commission is not an independent regulatory commission of the National Labour Relation Commission is not the independent regulatory commission. Which one of the following book of MP Follett was edited by the Metcalfe Urwick after the death of MP Follett? That is Dynamic Administration is book that was not independent, that is National Labour Relation. Frederick Herzberg जो था इसने वर्किंग कंडीशंस और अचीवमेंट की बात की थी, दैन इसने रिकॉग्नाइजेशन की बात की थी. जॉब सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकते, सैलरी और वर्किंग कंडीशन तो जॉब को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. डिसीजन ट्री जो था डंकन का था, लिंकिंग पिन मॉडल लिंकट का था, गार्बेज केन मॉडल कूहन का था, एंड सेंसिटिविटी ट्रेनिंग जो थी क्रिसाइडल्स की थी. हेंसिस लिंकट ने सजेस्ट किया था विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मॉडल फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ द हर्डल, दैट इज द लिंकिंग पिन मॉडल. न्यू कंपेरेटिव पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन किट हेंडरसन ने कहा था. कॉन्सेप्ट एन न्यू कंपेरेटिव पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हेंडरसन. कंपेरेटिव पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक्सटेंडेड मीनिंग ऑफ द कंपेरिजन, दैट इज फ्रेडरिक्स ने कहा था. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपेरिजन. Gonvesky mentioned theme of the comparative public administration, significance of focus, concern, resulting effects and approach. Stress on value नहीं आएगा. Which is feature in industrial model developed by the Ricks. Predominance of the ascriptive value होती है and diffuse pattern होता है. The salient feature of the बाजार कैंटीन, price independency, then agglomeration of the value, inclusive access to the elites and parish entrepreneurship. The merit system for the based on competitive examination for introduced first in China. Arrange the following department आएगा सबसे पहले, then advertisement आएगा, then canton आएगा, last में आएगा commune. Which is following is the top tier of the local government of UK, that is metropolitan county आएगा. H check जो था political activity of the civil service. 316 क्वालिफिकेशन मेंबर ऑफ द यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस. 316 टू रजिस्ट्रेशन मेंबर ऑफ द पब्लिक सर्विस. 317 ग्राउंड रिमूवल फॉर द मेंबर एंड 319 फर्दर एम्प्लॉयमेंट अंडर द गवर्नमेंट. द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सबसे पहले रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट को, देन लॉन्ग रेंज ऑफ द मैन पावर, देन लार्ज साइज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड हाई वेज बिल्स नेसेसरी ऑप्टिमल यूज ऑफ मैन पावर. क्रिस मैनेजमेंट फ्रॉम डिस्पेयर टू होप लोकल गवर्नमेंट इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी इनटू द फ्यूचर. Capacity building friction to the fusion and social capital shared destiny. Implementation of the treaty that was 253 में आएगा and matter enumerated by the state during emergency 250 में आएंगे. imposing tax not the mention the concurrent list 248 में matter enumerated union list 246 में. on the policy making organ in the government of India the secretariat stand on the exceptionally high pedestal जो माहेश्वरी ने ऐसा था. मैच द फॉलोइंग माउंट को चेम्सफोर्ड रिफॉर्म 1918 में, स्टेट रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन 1955 में, टैक्सेशन 54 में, स्टेटूटरी 1927 में. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया मेक्स सम अपॉइंटमेंट्स बाय द वारंट अंडर द हैंड एंड सील, दैट इज जज ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट. उसके बाद कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल आएगा, देन आएगा गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट. अटॉर्नी जनरल इसमें नहीं आएगा. विच इज़ द डिसीजन मेकिंग इज अ डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. फ्लेक्सिबल होना चाहिए, इनोवेटिव होना चाहिए, सेंट्रलाइज रिजिड नहीं होना चाहिए. In the parliamentary form of government, executive is responsible to the in the Constitution of India. The provision is made that the Council of Ministries shall be collectively responsible to the Parliament. That's not true. Which is the following not correct about the development administration? Communication is only a desirable component of the development administration. That's not true. It's not a desirable. The bureaucratic structure and its orientation of the development role are not necessarily incompatible. P.I. Panikkar ने ऐसा कहा था. Farrell Heddy, bureaucracy accepts discretion from other legitimate branch. That's not true. The Lakina experiment was the district administration. What is the another measure of the central tendency average? Who is the following case study method? Burgess ने which is following statement is not correct. The researcher is not under the obligation to consider the audience for whom the given report is intended. That's not true. लॉर्ड रिपन का था सबसे पहले एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ नेटवर्क गवर्नमेंट, फाइनेंशियल डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, अडॉप्शन, इलेक्शन द मीन्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लोकल बॉडी एंड रिडक्शन ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ द ऑफिशियल टू द 1/3 ऑफ द लोकल मेंबर. ए सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन विच इज आस्क्ड द फील्ड द interviewer that was scheduled. Which is the following is not an advantage of the interview. Interviewer may be able to interject, guess and impression into the respondent. That's not true. साइंटिफिक रिसर्च जो होता है जनरलाइज नॉलेज, एक्सटेंड नॉलेज, करेक्ट नॉलेज एंड कंपेरेटिव नॉलेज होता है इसमें. 1, 2 and 3 prior authorization under article 115 is required to make advance contingency fund of India. That's not true. If the finance ministry to be held responsible for filling the reservoir and maintaining certain depth water, that is Halandi committee. Consider following about committee of parliament to consider the demand for grant for house of parliament, consider annual reports and consider national basic short term policy. That's not true about there. Now consider the following regarding administration tribunal. Parliament empowered to make the law, the dispute and complaints with respect to the condition of service person. The jurisdiction and the authority of such tribunals are law passed by Parliament, and the Administration Tribunal can also be set up the adjudicating dispute for foreign exchange. What has been happening in the India in the recent times? Sensitization of corruption. People began adopt corruption not for its inherent utility but means of the elite class. Who is the following right to strike by the civil servant constituted breach of the discipline? चीफ मिनिस्टर कॉन्फ्रेंस थी, इसमें सबसे पहले इंडियन सर्विस इंजीनियर्स आए, देन इंडियन मेडिकल वाले आए, देन ऑडिट वाले नहीं आए थे लेकिन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस वाले आए थे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट द कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम लॉन्च टू द सर्व्स टू द टोटल डेवलपमेंट. इट वाज एडमिनिस्ट्रेड ट्रेस टू द 5 लेवल नेशनल, स्टेट एंड ब्लॉक लेवल. अप्रोच टू रूरल डेवलपमेंट, पहले एरिया डेवलपमेंट, फिर टारगेटेड डेवलपमेंट, फिर सोशल सिक्योरिटी, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Member of Parliament, state legislature not become member of the local body, that is Moily. Which is following there is no need for the contribution of district rural development agency. Second, ARC report local government 12th 5-year plan approved to the cabinet, rejuvenation of the India and influencing higher government funding in the key social sector, health and targeting average economic growth, technological advancement नहीं आएगा. Which is following proposed setting up the financial redressal agency deal, the financial sector legislature reform commission. Put the following for the chronological order. सबसे पहले आएगा amendment of the protection of civil rights, then आएगा enactment SC/ST prevention atrocity act, then आएगा the employment manual scavenger for the latrine prohibition, and last आएगा consumption national commission to review the working of the constitution. Who recommend the productivity planning with constitutional status in India? That was B.R. Ambedkar ने दिया था. Which is following meaning of panchayat according to the Constitution India, institute of self-government for the rural area. The power of the function of the Gram Sabha are prescribed in the Constitution. Gram Sabha is the forum where the civic engagement and the formation of social capital is possible. That's not true. It's not social capital possible नहीं होती है. Which of the following is the committee is the पंचायती राज परिषद is linchpin, that is the अशोक मेहता कमेटी ने कहा था. जिला परिषद is vested with planning and development function. The technical manpower is already available to district level. Which is recommendation of the devolution of taxation power to the पंचायत राज institution. अशोक मेहता कमेटी ने ऐसा कहा था. टैक्सेशन का डिवोल्यूशन होता है पंचायती राज में. A comprehensive exercise need to be taken for the regarding the broadening and deepening the revenue base of the local government and the state government by the delegation expand the tax domain of the पंचायत. So state government जो है tax domain को नहीं बढ़ाती है. ठीक है. Which of the following form of the integrated governing structure and district level of the recommended by the second ARC, that is district council को बनाया गया है. ठीक है. That is for the district level recommended by the second ARC. There is need to adopt a common categorization of urban local bodies across the country to improve the clarity, and there should be a 3-tier administration of urban local government except in case of the town panchayat. Both are right. National policy for person disability 2006 में which is following not one of the objective of the social justice led to the over 5-year plan promoting economic growth नहीं है, inclusive growth है, remove unemployment, bringing the balanced regional growth. Which of the following is the policy analysis correct? It gained the desirable considerable popularity. It's first adopted the United States. It's aimed at improving quality. It include the wide range of the study of the activity. Project implementation की बात करें, initiating the project, clarifying the authority responsibility, directing and controlling, establishing the control system and obtaining the resources. तो लास्ट में डायरेक्ट एंड कंट्रोल आएगा, इससे पहले इस्टेब्लिशिंग द कंट्रोल आएगा, इससे पहले ऑब्टेनिंग द रिसोर्सेज आएगा, क्लेरिफाई करना अथॉरिटी को, इनिशिएटिंग द प्रोजेक्ट, लास्ट में क्या आएगा, डायरेक्ट एंड कंट्रोल करना. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए मॉडल ऑफ पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशन एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. हिस्टोरिकल मेथड कोई मेथड नहीं होता है. वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद द ग्रुप मॉडल ऑफ पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशन. तो यहाँ पे ऑर्थर बेंटली एंड द लाथम जो है ये दोनों हैं इसमें, लेकिन जो पर्सन एंड मिल है ये दोनों नहीं है ग्रुप मॉडल के अंदर. ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द रूरल इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन पॉलिसी. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट शैल एंडेवर टू सप्लाई द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू ऑल एरिया इंक्लूडिंग द विलेज एंड द hamlets. That was not correct about the rural electrification.